Last week I talked about getting these beds ready and gonna put new dirt in them, put a fence around them to keep the chickens out, and get seeds to put in there. Basil seeds mainly, but a few other things. Got the seeds in the mail. I want to show you that, so that's pretty cool. Changed my plans on the fence a little bit, which I never really told you what I was going to do anyway, but changed the plans on the dirt. I was going to use the compost that I had and sift it out, and I'm still probably going to do some of that, but right now I just need to get at least one bed planted today, and I'll explain that in a minute. But didn't really get much done last week. I had a lot of other stuff ungarden related, so I've got a lot to do today. I've got some stuff to do in the test market garden, and I want to talk about that a little bit too. And I've got to get ready. I'm going camping this weekend, actually, coming, and that's going to be pretty cool. It's not real pretty, but it will work. I just put a T-post on this side and one on that side, and I just cut one piece here. I'm going to probably modify that a little bit. So back in the test market garden, I've been complaining about the germination, which that is what it is now, but I am getting some growth. I don't think it'll be long before I harvest some of this stuff. This is a giant red. Landlords have done made a salad with all of this stuff mixed up. So the Mizuna, the red Russian, the giant red. Said they even got some of this arugula in here with it, which is coming along. So honestly, I'm not really optimistic about the yields on this, but that is, again, that is what it is. But things are coming along. I'm hoping to get this stuff harvested so I can get the next round of crops in here. So last week I was talking about the uneven spacing, and this is a really good teaching point. This is what not to do. So let me show you right quick. So there you can see the rows are definitely not spaced evenly. So I showed you that last time, and you probably already know that this makes it hard to cultivate. So you'll see on YouTube these gardens with everything with the perfect spacing, and they can take something like the Neversink hoe and they can put the right width head in it, because they're interchangeable heads, and they can just come down through here and cultivate that and get all of the weed pressure out pretty quick. On a bed like this, it'd take no time. I don't have that hoe anyway, but if I did, it would be a big problem, or it just wouldn't happen. So you can see right here, that's actually 2 rows of red Russian, and you can see the weed pressure. So there's no way that I would get that hoe down through there. So yeah, I guess that's a fail on this time, but good learning point. So hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake. Hopefully I don't make the same mistake again. So I came back and I got this stuff on. So maybe that'll keep the chickens out. Let's hope so. Only way to find out is to put the stuff in here, and if they get through in the morning, it'll all be decimated and I'll have to replant it. I didn't have enough dirt. I had to go back and get it. So I'm just using Pro Mix BX because I've had a bag of it for a few years that never got used. And it's good mix for what I want. And these plants didn't really know what was going to happen to them, so I pulled the labels off and used those labels in the on the plants in the flats. So I'm not really sure what they are, but I'm pretty sure this is the Matt's Wild Cherry Tomato, and I know that this is the fish pepper. If you can see that leaf right there, it's white, it looks like it's burned. That's actually the variegation on there that the fish peppers have. It's kind of a unique thing to them. So pop these guys out and just try to separate them, and some of them may die during this process, but you know, I'm not too worried about it. That looks terrible, but it will work, I promise. So let me show you a few of these seeds that I bought for a last minute thing. I don't know, I may have these already. Mexican sour gherkin. It's a little tiny grape sized melon, but it's eaten like a cucumber. I've got an old video of that in the past if you want to check it out. If not, if I have success this year, I'll show you again. Thai basil, that's a new one on me. I don't know that particular variety from Baker Creek. All this stuff is from Baker Creek except for one. Emily basil, it's just a real compact, tidy basil. I have grown this one before, and that's why I bought it again. I really like it. A new tomato. I've been wanting to try this for a few years. It's not new, but it's new to me. Various crazy cherry tomato. Pretty excited about that. Thai red chili. I wanted something like that to cook with. Sent a free tomato, which is red Russian. Baker Creek always sends you a free variety. And then another seed company, Pine Tree. That must have been on back order. I completely forgot about it. It's a dwarf type, tumbling red, what did I say? Tumbling Tom red tomato. Alright, I'm not even going to label these things. I'm just going to put them in here. Because I have one pepper and one tomato that I'm going to use for now. And even though there's two basils, I'll just put it one on each side of the thing. I'm not putting a lot of time into this. I just want a few plants, and this is a fast and dirty. I won't even probably plant it in a row. I'll just do this. I know what you guys are thinking. That looks terrible, but trust me, it will work for what I want anyway. I'm not a very neat gardener, and I'm not a very organized person, so you can see that today when I was doing my home gardening stuff. It's pretty obvious, and it probably looked pretty crazy, but it's worked for me for years, and I've had pretty good results. For the market gardening, I've never did this, and I've tried to be really deliberate and organized and neat with it. And you know, for me, I did pretty well, because just considering how messy I am. But the rows are not spaced evenly. I'm not going to sweat it now, but I do see what a big deal it is, and I'm going to have to be more conscious when I plant the next ones. So it'll be interesting to see if I get it right the second time. So I'm going to be gone next weekend. It's probably going to be raining for the next 2 weeks, so I won't be in the garden much at all. And the next video is not going to be anything to do with anything around here. But when I do get back, and hopefully the greens will be up, I'm probably just going to do one cutting of them, because I want to get those out, and I want to get my summer stuff in the ground. I have a feeling I'll do a lot better with it, because these are the things that I'm used to as a squash and okra. Greens have always been hit and miss for me, but it never really mattered. I got enough to eat. I always planted way more than I needed. Like you've seen how I sowed these seeds, it's how I've always done. The seeds are cheap. I threw them in there, and what made it, and I generally got enough for what I need. It's not the case with the market garden. I've got to make every square foot count. So, same story over and over that I've been telling you, but I hope you see what I'm talking about if you're trying to go into this. That'll be it for now. I hope y'all liked that. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you hadn't already. It's the end of the day. I'm on. Probably kick back and get some rest. Y'all be good. Bye.